We're down here today at one of my absolute favourite suburbs in Brisbane. It's called Brighton. It's on the northeastern side, or the northern beaches of Brisbane, about 19 k's from the city. Now, we bought this cracker for about 855k. Now, in this suburb, there's so many examples of homes like this in this condition. There's also beautifully, beautifully renovated homes and a lot of knockdown rebuilds. Now, what I love about this suburb, like some of the others this close to the city on the beach of Brisbane, is the high average incomes, the extremely low vacancy rates, the great access to the CBD for work, and this sort of remote beachside working environment that's still in the price range of many, many average Australian families. Can't wait to come show you through. So this type of property, which I would consider blue chip, quality, premium location, is perfect for those people that are looking to invest in one or a couple of really, really good long-term assets with strong potential for capital growth, where you can either leave it as it is for a period of time, or maybe in the future, just before you resell it, you could give it a lick of paint, a new kitchen, polish up the floorboards and increase your valuation that way. But what I love about good quality suburbs like this is not only the average incomes being higher, but the rent returns. Now, I was just speaking to the agent inside a moment ago, and he said that properties like this one, rents wise, have already increased by $100 a week this year, and we're expecting, according to CoreLogic, rents to grow by another $100 a week.